welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all well. Please excuse if I come off a little bit upset because I filmed this whole video and I was very proud of it. I thought it was one of the best videos I've shot in a long time, and I go to edit it. Thank God I did this the night of. I go to plug it into my computer to start editing and I realized the sound is all muffled. And I was like, oh my God, like I was so upset. I wanted to cry, but I'm like, no, I'm gonna film this video again. It's not going to be as good, but it's okay, we'll try. And these kind of things happen. I just don't know why it happened now, but I'm so thankful that I decided to go ahead and listen to it now. Because if I had taken off this makeup and that would have happened, I would have given up for the night and been like, okay, we're not doing this. So thankfully that happened. Anyways, you guys, today is going to be a video of some Amazon favorites I have. I would like to recommend these products to you, and hopefully they're products that you find interesting. These are products I swear by. I have made a video about my Amazon favorites before. I will link that in the bottom bar below. And yeah, I think that was really early into my YouTube career, you know, so might not be the best video, but I do have a bunch of amazing products there. I don't know if any of these are repeats, hopefully not. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video. Now I just want to state that all of these products will be linked in the description box below, and you can go get them there. Now I'm not going to list any of the prices of these things because I have noticed the prices have fluctuated since I have purchased them, and that's just the way it is with Amazon. Once things get a little bit of hype, prices go up. So yeah, I do apologize for that. Some of these products used to be very inexpensive, but I still honestly would pay the price that they are now because I think they're incredible. So yeah, hopefully you guys don't mind that. But let's just start this video because I have not had dinner yet and my stomach is growling. The first product is amazing if you are someone who uses blending sponges. Now I have bought the real Beauty Blender before. I have bought several versions of Beauty Blender dupes before, and nothing has ever come to as good of a quality as these. Now these are super popular in social media, but in case you have not heard of them, these are the Papa Wonder Blenders. These are incredible. You get them in a pack of 6 and you can get these for under $10 online. On Amazon they do go for a little more expensive, not sure why, but they do. But these used to be more cheaper than they were just because of the hype they're getting. They cost more now, but these are incredible, you guys. I love these so much. They come in I guess these are the new packaging, I'm not sure, but I got these directly from the actual AOA website because the problem I have found getting these from Amazon is that some buyers will advertise that they're selling you this, but they'll send you something else. So buyer beware, and I hopefully you guys don't get into the same scam I did. And I'll try to link the one that I bought where I got the authentic versions of these, but please be careful because I noticed that a lot of people do that on Amazon. The sellers will advertise something and then you'll get completely something different. So just be careful of that, and hopefully if you guys order off the ones I tell you to, they end up being the real thing, because I would be so sad if they sent you fake ones. I'm so sorry. But yeah, these are incredible. As you can tell, I have a bunch of these. I go through blending sponges like nobody's business. Considering how good quality these are and how inexpensive they are, I don't feel bad to throw them out when they're ripped and stuff, because they don't cost that much. The price of this whole package costs less than an actual Beauty Blender, and that is incredible to me. These are so good. I feel like they're better than the real Beauty Blender. They're very soft. They hold product very well. I just love these for blending out my foundation and concealer. I'm a big sponge girly. I use sponges and I swear by sponges, and these are incredible. The best sponges I have used thus far. Okay, next thing is a product you guys have heard me speak about on this channel. I believe mentioned it in favorite videos. I've showed it in makeup application videos. This is the Vasanti Liquid VO2 Orange Color Corrector. Now this is a product I believe you can get from other places besides Amazon, but that's where I get it from. I love this stuff so much. This is my second one, and the price of this is not inexpensive. I believe this costs around $26, and I know that doesn't sound like it's very affordable, but you guys, the first one I bought took me 2 years to go through, and I think that is a very long time. You don't need a lot of this. I find myself with my very bad dark circles applying 1 or 2 dots, and that will fully suffice, and the stuff is incredible. I think this is the best color corrector I have ever used. There's truly nothing like this, and I feel like this is the most brown girl friendly color corrector that exists on the market. I have tried a lot of color corrector uses, you guys, but a lot of them don't run the exact shade that this does, and the formulation of this, the consistency of this, how thin it is truly unlike anything else, and I will forever be purchasing this stuff. It is truly incredible. I wish they sold this in stores. I would love to get it whenever I want to instead of going on Amazon and making Jeff Bezos richer by the minute. But yeah, I love this stuff and I highly recommend it to anybody who actually uses the color corrector, because I know it's not everybody's a part of everybody's like makeup routine, but I swear by this, so I will forever be purchasing these. These are incredible. Okay, next is something that I actually threw the packaging out, so you guys are gonna have to use your imagination here. So these come in a pack of 100 of them. These are mini compressed towels, and I know this might be very random. Now, these are basically mini towels that you will put in water and they'll activate and become a big actual towel. These are incredible. I think I've mentioned these in a favorites video before. I use these to dry my face after I take my makeup off. And the reason why that is because I noticed that when I would use the same face towels over time, that would result in a lot of acne. Because I am someone that deals with acne prone skin here and there, I do not want to spread bacteria and use something that's going to be on my face over and over again. Anyways, you get these in a package of 100 of them. They are incredible, and I believe they're like $13, and I still think that's the price of them. I feel like they're so much multifunctional. You can use these for like cleaning your hands, you can use them on your face, you can use them to wipe things. They're just amazing. I love these stuff so much. I feel like every time I pull these out when someone needs something like this, they're impressed, and I am impressed at myself that I discovered these. These are so ingenious to have. They're so handy, and I feel like I can't be without these now. I know it's something so simple and something you don't think about, but they're truly amazing. I love this stuff. It's such a simple thing, but it brings me joy. I don't know what to say. Okay, next are these puffs. Now these come in a set like this, and you get, I believe, 10 of them, and they are called I'm Pineapple, and these are amazing. I initially bought these to use as like a powder puff, like basically these, but I have found these work best when they are wet. So you can get these wet and they will expand in size, and I love these to blend out my concealer. These have that precise end, so it helps with getting into the crevices and blending out your concealer. I used it today. These are incredible. I've only bought these once, you guys. I've washed these so many times, and the quality of these are incredible. They have not ripped or anything like that. They don't even look like they've been used, and these are incredible. I love these so much. You can use these dry to actually set your concealer as well. I've used this to actually put on foundation as well too, but that does take a little longer because your face is more surface area than your under eyes. But I love these. I feel like they're so nice to have. They're incredible. They're good at blending concealer, and yeah, I love these. Okay, next is a product I know you guys have heard me talk about like countless times. This is the ETUDE Dear Darling Water Tint. This stuff is my favorite, like one of my favorite Amazon purchases I have bought from Amazon thus far. This stuff is incredible. This is a dupe for the Benefit's Benetint. This is a lip stain. You can use this on your cheeks or on your lips, but I personally have only used this on my lips. So this stuff is essentially a stain. So the first time I filmed this video, I did a swatch of this, and the tint is still there. This is like, if you are someone that is gonna be, if you're someone that doesn't like reapplying products, or let's say if I'm going out for like an hour or two and I don't want to bring anything with me, I will put this on and it will last. There's been times when I've put on my makeup, at the end of the day when I wash it off, this stuff is still on my lips. Like, that's how long wearing it is. I love this stuff so much. It is so good. This has gone up in price, like amongst some of the products I mentioned in the beginning of this video, but I still feel like this is still cheaper than the Benetint, and that's why I feel like it is still worth it. So that is what it looks like when you first apply it, and once it dries down, it will be a more approachable, more muted down red, and I just feel like it's so flattering. My sister's in love with this thing because I know when she comes here, she always reaches for it, and I love it. It looks so good on everybody. I haven't seen this shade look bad. It's like, I feel like a very universal color in a shade of red, but it's very approachable and not like in your face red. So I love this stuff. I love the formula. I wish they created this in like every single color, because I would have loved to have something like this in like browns and nudes and, you know, stuff like that would have been so nice. The second last product I got is something I got fairly recently, but you guys, I think this is one of the best purchases I've gotten from Amazon that's not beauty related. This is called an OCTOBUDDY. So this is something you put on the back of your phone, and it has these silicone like holders, and it'll stick to everything. So this will stick to my mirror in the morning. I'll stick this to like the walls of my house, and this is just amazing because you can use it to take pictures, you can use it to film TikToks, which is what I did today. By the way, my TikTok username will be down below. Please check out my TikTok if you haven't already. I love this stuff. I'm gonna show you guys an example. I'll just put this on my iPad because I can't really put it on my mirror right now. Like, look, you can literally stick this on and it won't fall off. Like, it's so sturdy. This has been so handy to have, you guys. I even bought my mom one of these because they're so, like, they're just life-changing. Like, literally, you guys, life-changing. Every time someone's like, what is that? I literally show them and they're like, that's so cool. I'm like, I know, right? Like, it's the coolest thing ever. Like, I can't believe it took me so long to buy something like this, but I was influenced by TikTok. This guy was talking about this and I was like, yes, I'm gonna get that, and this has been amazing. The only thing I would say is it has been adjustment for me because I'm used to having those ring finger holders here so that you can hold your phone like this, and now I have to hold my phone like this, so it's a bit of an adjustment. But considering the functionality of this, I really don't care. Like, this is amazing. I can take pictures, I can, like, you know, film TikToks, I can film a video on my phone, and I don't need to worry about like placing it somewhere and it falling over in the car, or like taking a picture in front of the mirror. Like, the stuff is so handy, and I highly recommend this if you're someone who's looking for something like that, if you've been in the situation where you're like trying to prop your phone up. And yeah, that's me, and I feel like content creators especially would love something like this, so definitely check it out. I know there's like dupe versions of this, like there's other companies or other brands that kind of make this, but I got the original OCTOBUDDY, and that's only because of the sturdiness. I questioned the sturdiness of the other ones because I read the reviews, and so I did pay a little more to get this because I feel like if this falls, then your phone is essentially gonna break or get damaged, and I don't want to take that risk, so I did pay a little more for these, but I feel like it's well worth it because I don't see myself replacing this anytime soon or at all. So yeah, I love this stuff. So random, but it is incredible, you guys, and it comes in a bunch of different colors. Okay, you guys, last product is joggers. Now, I am not the typical sweatpant kind of girly. I sometimes am, but it doesn't look that cute on you like it does on other girls on Instagram and stuff. It looks more like I'm a hobo and I haven't been like taking care of myself, and I haven't showered in a few weeks. That's what it looks like. But these sweatpants are amazing. I bought these like 2 years ago and I love these, you guys. These are so multifunctional. I have worn these out. I've worn them to the gym. These are so amazing. Now, what I love about these joggers is that they don't run really warm. Like, they don't feel like hot to wear, and I am someone who has begun to run hot as I've gotten older. I used to be the person that was always cold, and now I am the complete opposite, and I don't know how to feel about it. But these are so comfortable, especially in the summer. These don't make you feel hot at all. They are so amazingly designed and made. Like, the quality of this is incredible, you guys. This has been through so many washes, and it doesn't have any damage or any pilling on it. Like, it just looks very expensive when you have them on, but I believe these cost around $22 right now, if I'm not mistaken. Like I said, the price, don't quote me. But these are amazing. They have pockets. I wear these at the gym, and I feel like these are nice for like girls who wear hijab or are trying to be modest and you don't want to wear skin tight leggings. These are incredible. I love these so much. I have them in 2 colors. I have the black, obviously, and then I have them in blue. And yeah, I just feel like these are amazing. I actually have 2 pairs of the black because just in case one's being washed. Like, I'm serious about this, you guys. These are incredible. They're so comfy. I feel like you can pull these off pretty much everywhere. I've worn these to work before, and my supervisors have not noticed that these are sweatpants. Like, that's how like acceptable these looks. They are so comfy. I love the feel of them. They just look so nice. They don't look like they're cheap. I don't know how much more to praise them, but if you are into joggers, definitely check these out because I swear by these, you guys. They are so good. Okay, you guys, that was everything for this video, and I know I wanted to kind of address my absence and why I've been away, but I feel like that's something to kind of address in a separate video. I don't want to dwell into it too much, but I do just ask you guys to send your well wishes and prayers if you can. I haven't been doing the best health-wise lately, and it has been affecting my mental health, and that's kind of been the reason for my absence here on YouTube. And that on top of being sick. I was sick for a while. I still kind of am dealing with it, and just life's stresses, you know, of being an adult. So that unfortunately has been the reason why I've been away. But you guys, I'm so sorry. I hope that you don't stop watching me. I know that my you know, consistency on here hasn't been the best, but I am trying, and please just be patient with me. You guys know how happy YouTube makes me, and the fact that I filmed 2 TikToks today and now I'm filming this really makes me so happy. Like, I feel like I'm in my happy place. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and the links to all of these products will be down below, so please check them out there. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!